YouTube not showing full screen? Don't worry, here's the fix. But before that, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates from us. Now let's get into the video. So here I have opened YouTube and selected a random video for showing you guys. When you tap over the video, you'll be able to see the various options on the screen. At the right hand side, there is a square at the bottom. If you tap over there, you'll be able to see the video in landscape or as a full screen. So if you are unable to get this option on your screen, then that may be due to various reasons. So for fixing that, you have to follow the certain settings. So make sure to watch the video till the end. But even without having this square option, you can also watch the video in landscape or as a full screen. For that, you have to simply swipe your notification panel and you'll be able to see the auto rotate option over here. Simply tap on the auto rotate, and when you rotate your phone, you'll be easily able to see the video in landscape or as a full screen. But if you want to get back that square option over here, then you have to go back to your home page and you need to open up the apps. You can go to your device setting, or as an easy step, you have to press and hold on YouTube and you have to go for app info. And under this, you have to simply go for storage and cache, and you have to clear the cache. By doing that, your YouTube application will be refreshed and you'll be able to fix your problem. You can go back and check your problem will be fixed. If you are still unable to fix the problem, then the simplest way you can do it, you can update your YouTube. For that, you can simply open up your Google Play Store and you have to tap on the search bar of the upper section and search for YouTube. And once you search for that, you'll be easily able to see this application. Right now here the YouTube application is updated. So if there are any updates available on your device, then you can simply tap over the update and update YouTube. By doing that, also you'll be able to replace that square option which shows you full screen. And by following these two simple steps, you can fix your problem. So I hope this video was helpful. If you have got any queries regarding this video, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.